Doug Swardstrom at our latest listing at 23 Cobalt Sky at the very top of Irvine's Turtle Ridge. We're perfectly located right on the edge of Newport Coast and Irvine. You have ocean views and city lights view. We're ideally located on a private little cul-de-sac. You're gonna love this home.
So this home, as Rachel said, is at the top of Turtle Ridge. The lot is nearly 18,000 square feet. The home itself is about 5,600 square feet. 6 bedrooms, 7 baths, a master on the main level, a casita, also a separate guest suite with a private entrance. The finishes inside are amazing too. You have hardwood floors, you have newly refinished white cabinetry in the kitchen, new light fixtures. It's absolutely stunning.
So if you'd like a private tour, DM us or give us a call. We'd love to show.